Hi dear students, welcome to Math Solutions by PHANI. We are in exercise 5b. In last class, we discussed about continuity concept. That is in 5a exercise. We finished that. Now we enter into the differentiation exercise 5b. Okay, dear students, let us have a discussion. The questions differentiate the functions with respect to x. In that question number 1, so whatever you want to differentiate the function, you can assume that f of x or y. Okay, dear students, either f of x or y, you can assume that. So first, let f of x is equal to, for some functions I am taking y, for some functions I am taking f of x. Sine of x square plus 5. So to solve this type of problems, differentiate with respect to x. DWRTX means differentiate with respect to x. F of x, if you differentiate like this, d by dx of f of x. So d by dx of sine of x square plus 5. D by dx of sine x, we know that d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. So same formula you have to apply. D by dx of f of x will becomes f dash of x. So d by dx of f of x is f dash of x. D by dx of y means dy by dx or y dash or y1. Different ways are there to represent. So d by dx of sine of x square plus 5, by using this formula, cos of x square plus 5. We cannot stop there. Again, whatever the function involved, again we have to differentiate that function. D by dx of x square plus 5. So which is equal to cos of x square plus 5 into d by dx of x square plus d by dx of 5. So which is equal to cos of x square plus 5 into d by dx of x square. We know the formula. D by dx of x power n equal to n into x power n minus 1. So d by dx of x square means 2 into x power 2 minus 1 means x, plus d by dx of constant. D by dx of constant c is always 0. So d by dx of constant 5, 0. So which is equal to 2x into cos of x square plus 5. So f dash of x, we got it. This is the way we can do these things. I hope you understand. So question number 2. Let the given function you can take as f of x is equal to cos of sin x. So in cos, sin x is involved. So here also similar procedure. Differentiate with respect to x. DWRTX means differentiate with respect to x. So d by dx of f of x is equal to d by dx of cos of sin x. So here I am writing d by dx of cos x formula minus sin x. So d by dx of f of x will becomes f dash of x. D by dx of cos of sin x. So this is completely x if you take cos x. So minus sine of sin x. Again, this function you have to differentiate whatever the function is involved. D by dx of sin x. So, which is equal to minus sine of sin x into d by dx of sin x is cos x. D by dx of sin x, we got it already here. So, therefore, f dash of x is equal to minus cos x into sine of sin x. Okay, dear students, we'll move to the question number 3. Those who are watching, please like. If you like this video, it reaches to more people. So, question number 3, let the function be f of x is equal to sine of ax plus b. So, we already done 2 times here. Differentiate with respect to x. So, f of x derivative, f dash of x. Directly I am writing, dear students. This side, we will write it d by dx of sine of ax plus b. So, previously d by dx of sine x means cos x, we wrote no. D by dx of sine of ax plus b will become cos of ax plus b. Here the formula is we applied d by dx of sin x. D by dx of sin x is cos x. D by dx of sin of ax plus b is cos of ax plus b. Again, you have to apply differentiation for the function which is involved in this. So, d by dx of ax plus b. So, cos of ax plus b into, here a is constant, bring outside, the rest of the function you have to differentiate. A into d by dx of x plus d by dx of constant b. So, which is equal to cos of ax plus b into a into d by dx of x is 1 plus d by dx of constant b is 0. So, a plus 0 is a. So, we will get the final answer is a into cos of ax plus b, which are all applications, dear students. So, we need to learn the formula. According to the formula, you have to do it. There is no other alternate to get these type of answers, dear students. Okay, we'll move on to other questions. Question number 4, let y is equal to, the function is secant of tan of root x. So, let y is equal to secant of tan of root x. So, this is completely x if you take. So, d by dx of secant x. So, here I am writing the formulas which are respective one. D by dx of secant x is secant x tan x. So, differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative with respect to x will becomes d by dx of y. So, d by dx of secant of tan root x, just as it is I am writing. So, it will becomes dy by dx, dear students. Secant, this is x. D by dx of secant x means this formula you have to write it now. So, secant of tan root x into tan of tan root x into whatever the function is involved, that again you have to differentiate. d by dx of tan root x. So which is equal to secant of tan root x into tan root x, tan of tan root x into d by dx of tan x. What is the formula for d by dx of tan x? D by dx of tan x is secant square x. So d by dx of tan root x is what? Secant square root x. Again, this root x you have to differentiate. D by dx of root x. So, which is equal to secant of tan root x into tan of tan root x into secant square of root x. D by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So d by dx of root x, 1 by 2 root x. So just once again I'll write it. The complete sense, secant of tan root x into tan of tan root x into secant square of root x divided by 2 root x. This is the derivative of the given function, dear students. So for the given question, let us move to the question number 5. So question number 5. So let us consider that value is y equal to sine of ax plus b divided by cos of cx plus d. So here we have to apply the formula of quotient rule of the differentiation. D by dx of u by v equal to, so v square v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx. This formula is known as quotient rule of differentiation. Quotient rule of differentiation. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand this formula. We are going to apply. So this is u, this is v. It is looking like differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to v square means cos of cx plus d whole square, v into, that means cos of cx plus d into d by dx of sine of ax plus b minus u into, that means sine of ax plus b into d by dx of cos of cx plus d. So just we applied the formula. So which is equal to cos of cx plus d into d by dx of sine of ax plus b. D by dx of sine x is what? Cos x. So d by dx of sine of ax plus b is cos of ax plus b into again d by dx of ax plus b. You have to write it. Minus which is in the numerator itself, dear students. Next, sine of ax plus b into d by dx of cos of cx plus d is minus sine of cx plus d into d by dx of cx plus d whole divided by denominator. V square means cos of cx plus d whole square. Okay. So which is equal to d by dx of ax means a, bring outside, d by dx of x is 1. So a into 1 is a, constant derivative is 0. So d by dx of ax, first you write it this one, then it will be easy for you. Cos of cx plus d into cos of ax plus b into d by dx of ax plus b is a, minus into minus is plus, sin of ax plus b into sin of cx plus d into d by dx of cx plus d is c, whole divided by cos square of cx plus d. See, once again, you rewrite that. So first constant a into cos of ax plus b into cos of cx plus d plus c into sin of ax plus b into sin of cx plus d divided by cos square of cx plus d. This is dy by dx. Just we applied the quotient rule of differentiation, and in the meanwhile you remember some formulas. D by dx of standard results, ax plus b is equal to x coefficient here, d by dx of cx plus d means c, d by dx of cx plus d is equal to c. Okay, dear students, we'll move to question number 6. Even if we want to simplify, we can simplify. Why? Because here sin and cos is there, no terms. We can simplify one more step. What is that simplification step? So one more step, dy by dx a into, so one of the cos cx plus d will be cancelled. Cos cx plus d by cos cx plus d, one of them is cancelled. So cos of ax plus b as it is, so 1 will be cancelled, means denominator 1 by cos will become secant of cx plus d plus c into sin of cx plus d by 1 cos of cx plus d will becomes sin, as it is it will be sin ax plus b into, so sin by cos is tan into secant also will come. So sin of cx plus d by 1 cos will become tan cx plus d into, here one denominator, one more cos is there, no, that is secant cx plus d. Even secant of cx plus d take common from both also we can do, does not necessary, you can leave it. Okay, question number 6 we will move. In the question number 6 we had the function, let f of x I am taking now. F of x is equal to cos of x cube into sin square of x power 5. So how the functions? Here we are going to apply product rule of differentiation. D by dx of u into v, u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. So in this, this is u, this is v. Power later we can do, dear students. Power we can later. So first differentiate with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x. So f of x will becomes f dash of x. So according to this formula, cos of x cube into d by dx of sine square is there, no? So sine of x power 5 whole square plus sine square of x power 5 v into d by dx of cos of x cube. So step by step we need to simplify. So cos of x cube as it is, d by dx of f of x whole power n formula. So 2 into this value whole power n minus 1. So after that we have to differentiate this one. D by dx of sine square means 2 into sine of x power 5 d by dx of x power n into x power n minus 1. Again sine of x power 5 derivative is cos of x power 5. Again x power 5 derivative, we have to do that d by dx of x power 5. This is the first term derivative. Once again I will explain. D by dx of this function whole power n means 2 into function whole power n minus 1. Again this function you have to differentiate. D by dx of sine of x power 5 is cos of x power 5. Again the function involved whatever it is that we are differentiating. Later plus sine square of x power 5 into again d by dx of cos, this is x, d by dx of cos x is minus sine x cube. Again this function involved, no? So d by dx of x cube. So we need to simplify. Cos of x cube. Here we observe that 2 sine theta into cos theta. Sine 2 theta, no? Sine 2 into x power 5. D by dx of x power n, n into x power n minus 1. So 5 into x power 4 plus minus into plus is minus sine square of x power 5 into sine of x cube into d by dx of x cube is 3x square. Now we'll simplify. 5x power 4 into cos of x cube into sine 2x power 5 minus into plus is minus 3x square into sine square of x power 5 into sine x cube. So is there any chance to take common? You can. I think we can take it common also. You can leave it like this. Otherwise, here, without, suppose if you do not write like 2 sin theta cos theta form, 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta form. I wrote here bracket, I kept no, dear students. Suppose if you do not do this one, as it is 2 into 5, 10, 10 into x power 4 like this answer also. Both the answers are same. I hope you understand. We'll move on to this. This one I applied here. But that is also correct answer, dear students. Now, question number 7. Let f of x is equal to 2 into root of cot x square. So differentiate with respect to x. F of x derivative is f dash of x. Constant to bring outside. It is in the form of root x, no? So we have formula d by dx of root x means 1 by 2 root x. Again d by dx of cot x minus cosecant square x. So 2 into d by dx of root x. So 1 by 2 into root cot x square. Again what we have to do? This function you have to differentiate. D by dx of cot x square. So here 2 get cancelled. 1 by root cot x square. We cannot cancel x square and this one is x square is the angle involved in the cot. D by dx of cot x minus cosecant square x. So minus cosecant square x square. Again this x square we have to differentiate d by dx of x square. So which is equal to d by dx of x square is 2x. Already minus is there. Minus 2x into cosecant square of x square divided by root cot x square. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand. That's what answer. Nothing is there in this. Suppose if you want to write the answers in terms of sine and cos, we can write it. So in what way we can write is, we can simplify that, more simplification. So in what way we can simplify is minus 2x into cosecant square x means sine square of x square. Root cot x means root cos x square by root sine x square. Sine x square. So here root sine power x means here minus 2x divided by sine square means we can write it as sine of x square into one other sine x, root sine x square into root sine x square into root cos x square by root sine x square. Okay. So these two will be cancelled. Later, multiplying and dividing by root 2 minus 2 root 2x divided by sine of x square. Here root 2 multiplied and root 2 divided into root sine x square or root cos x square. So just now we wrote formula in the above question also here. 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to sine 2 theta. So root a into root b into root c, root abc, no? So we'll write it all the things. 2 root 2x by sine x square into root 2 into root sine x square into root cos x square is root of 2 into sine x square into cos x square. So which is equal to minus 2 root 2x by sine of x square into root sine 2x square. 2 sine theta cos theta sine 2 theta. Okay, dear students, this is the way. Actually till here we can stop it, but the thing is based on the given answer, show that if they will ask, till here we need to do that. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand. We can go to the last question, that is question number 8. More 2 questions are there that we will discuss in the next class. This is the last question in this session. Yeah, Chandra Kiva. Hello. Tell me, dear students. Yeah, this is CBSE 12th class and Andhra Pradesh Intermediate School. 12th class, second year intermediate. Tell me. Just now I received your message. Hello, said Chinnara. Jumakua. Tell me, dear student, what do you want? Yeah, please write the message. I'm ready to respond you. In question number 8. In question number 8, the function is y is equal to cos of root x. Please write the comment. I will wait for you. So differentiate with respect to x. So y derivative with respect to x is dy by dx is equal to, it is in the form of cos x. D by dx of cos x is minus sin x minus sin root x. Again this function involved, again you have to differentiate d by dx of root x. So which is equal to minus sin of root x into d by dx of root x 1 by 2 root x. So which is equal to minus sin root x divided by 2 into root x. So therefore the derivative of the given question minus sin root x by 2 root x. Okay, dear students. Chinora, you cannot respond. I already called you. Even tomorrow night also I will continue the questions from differentiation. Next, implicit function differentiation, explicit function differentiation, logarithmic differentiation will continue in the tomorrow's class. Thank you for your support. Those who are watching first time, please like and share. If you like this video, it reaches to more students. You are indirectly helping others, dear students. Thank you. Tell me, Sidhu Patel. Yeah, Sidhu Patel, tell me. Yeah, Sidhu, tell me. You can write the message. Just now joined. Okay. Just I'm going to end the session because tomorrow after 9:30 again I will join the. I will conduct the session. Okay, Sidhu. Thank you for joining. If please like this and share to your friends if it is really helpful for you. Yeah, tell me. No problem. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Whichever the topic you want, you write in the comment box. I will read that. But after 12 hours, if you, why? Because it is upcoming channel. After live, it won't be appear. So after 10 hours or 12 hours, it will be appear in that channel. You may get a message. Okay, no problem. You are the dropper also, nothing will happen. Are you from CBSE background or Sidhu Patel? Are you CBSE background or any boards? Yeah, arts by Manish. Why you are asking that type of questions? Okay, state. No problem. Nothing will happen. If you are belongs to TZ or AP, these videos will help you. Art by Manish. Thank you, brother, for joining this. Okay, TZ. My another channel is there, Maths with Panindra. You can go to differentiation 1B, all important questions, topic wise, exercise wise, I already done. Once you go to the playlist, Maths with Panindra, in my other channel, it has 2000 plus videos. You can utilize that videos and 100% you can get pass marks or good marks with that. Mr. Sidhu Patel, you can. Even MZJ means videos also, how many you want, it will be there. Number of videos you can utilize. After watching that channel, okay, very good. You got IP 970 means why you are worrying? Just you, I think you lost the confidence, but you are the good student. No, not at all worry. Once you go to my another channel, Maths with Panindra, number of videos, whatever you want, either MSET or JMNs type questions, but exclusively MSET questions, number of videos are there. You go to the playlists and search whatever you want, either Maths 2A or 2B or 1A or 1B related videos I kept. Okay, dear students. See though, I am going to end the session. Thank you, dear students. Once you go to my another channel, Maths with Panindra, it contains 2000 plus videos. Live sessions, today only evening live session completed matrices. All videos are available, especially 1B, those who feel the difficult differentiation integration. Number of videos are there. In differentiation integration, shortcuts also there. Yeah, you can go to my channel and contact, it will be. Students, Maths with Panindra channel, if you go once, it will be available, dear students. Thank you, Siddhartha. I am going to end the session. Yeah, I was from Hyderabad itself, but recently I shifted to Kurnool. Thank you, thank you.